how to set download settings on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set download settings on Spotify. First go to Spotify and then click this one to go to setting, of course. Click on it and then you need to find this one in this category, audio quality, and then just click here. And as you see now, you can select anything you want, like low or normal, high, very high. I prefer to let it on normal. And as you see, that's how set download setting on Spotify. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.